highlight of this particular earpod is that this one is a Make in India product. I think it will be perfectly fit for the ear. Let's see. Hi. Today's video is about the unboxing and the review of earpod which I have purchased from Amazon. The brand is MIVI, M-I-V-I, and the version is Duopod A25. So this is a true wireless earphone, TWS. So we're going to test this. We will unbox it first, then we will test it, and this video will be a complete review on this MIVI. Many have already done this review, but still we would like to see how good this is in with performance to using it for our gaming purpose. The highlight of this particular earpod is that this one is a Make in India product, and it is badged here, that is Make in India. I'll show you that closely and I'll unbox it. So it seems like it's a pretty good one. I haven't opened it. I'll be opening it right now to see how good it is, and while opening I'll explain all the other details about this earpod. So this is MIVI Duopods A25, and this is MIVI, M-I-V-I, MIVI Duopods A25. This have an extended mic like Brain and other earbuds. This is not purely an earbud that goes all fit inside the ear. This is TWS True Wireless Earphones. This is a Make in India project. As a part of Make in India project, you can see this is Made in India badge is given here, as well as proudly made in India, and it has got 1 year warranty. Plus, let's see how good this one is. This is all around engineered and made in India. So let's see. I'm gonna open it. Bassbud Pro. Let's see. This is warranty registration. You can take a WhatsApp photo and send it to this number for a warranty registration. Maybe. And this one is a thanks card by the crew. Now this one is the manual, all perfectly aligned. This is the manual. A pretty lengthy one. You can visit www.mivi.in for their other products. This is the pack, MIVI. Let me open it. The packing is good. It is all perfectly packed and neatly done. This is the spare earbuds, silicone. I think I don't want to show it. Hope you can see it here from here. This is charging cable. This one is C-type. This one got C-type charging. Good. That's good. Now the main part. MIVI. Okay, let's open it. Good. Seems solid. There is no display in the charging case to know the charging capacity, charging status. There is no display in it, but feels little more solid. I would say that it stands and the quality of plastic and all those things, it stands similar to earbud Pro, Bassbud Pro, Petron Bassbud Pro. But Petron Bassbud has the display in it, the charging display, and this one doesn't have. Let me take it out. It's not as bigger as the other competitors. It simply fits. It seems it will simply fit in the ear. When it takes out of the case, it will automatically start connecting. That's how it goes. It seems sleek, pretty sleek. I think it will be perfectly fit for the ear. Let us connect it to the mobile and see. Let's check whether it. Yes, it shows MIVI Duopods A25. So let's connect it. Wow, it's connected. Let's check the quality of MIVI. That is a made in India product. So let us try this. Yeah, it can be easily placed in the ear. You can see it. This is how it is placed. Hope you can see it. Okay. It has a lengthy mic projection, but when it compared to the Android, this is more sleeker. It fits much better. Let's see. Let's turn it on and see how it performs. Code disconnected. Okay, let me connect it. Okay, very good. So now let's check the music. Now it's good. I've checked the vocal. It is as good as the Petron as well as the Be-Cool Moonwalk M1. The sound quality is, I would say that it is similar to the Petron Bassbud Pro as well as the Moonwalk Be-Cool Moonwalk M1. It is not better, it stands similar to in the vocal. Now let's check the music, like the music video. I don't, this also I do not recommend for the exercise workouts and outdoor activities. There is a chance that this can fall out. So now let's check it, check the. Okay, now the quality of the sound, it comes, I would say that it is not that great when it comes to the bass or treble. It stands below, as my experience says that it stands below the moonwalks, again the moonwalk weights, the quality of the sound, the bass as well as the treble. I give points to the Be-Cool Moonwalk M1. So this is good, but not as good as the sound quality, not as good as we call Moonwalk M1 or T-Tone Bass Bud Pro. So please watch our channel, please support us, please subscribe our channel and support us for more videos.